Most backyard utility carts are really complete junk. You have to buy them to save your back, but within a season, the tires are flat and the metal bends under a few bags of mulch or the handle snaps off entirely. But this right here, this Gorilla Cart's 800-pound capacity steel utility wagon is a must-have. We're going to look at why it actually is the ultimate heavy-duty yard savior it claims to be, or is it maybe just another overhyped piece of metal that's going to go rust in your shed? Let's dive into the truth. Right out of the gate, you notice the footprint. We're talking about a 4 cubic foot bed that's rated to haul up to 800 pounds. Now, to put that to perspective, that means you can stack all of your Amazon boxes full of heavy favorite finds. It's really extremely versatile. But the real unsung heroes are these 10-inch tires. These aren't cheap plastic wheels. They're actual air-filled turf tires that float right over thick grass, deep mud, uneven gravel paths without sinking or tipping over. You can trust this haul for all of your goods. The absolute best feature of this cart is the reason it replaces a standard wheelbarrow is the convertible design. All 4 panels are completely removable, and you have quick release pins. You can take the sides off in less than a minute. This instantly transforms the wagon from a deep-sided utility box into a flatbed cart. Now, it makes hauling oversized items like massive logs, massive potted trees, or bulky fence posts incredibly easy. Think of your favorite hardware store. You can haul anything around the store, but you can do it at your home and in your backyard as well. And because you aren't restricted by the walls of the cart, you can put any long item on there. Plus, loading and unloading heavy items is way easier on your lower back when you can just slide them off the flatbed. If you're tired of struggling with unstable wheelbarrows that tip over the second you hit a bump, or cheap plastic wagons that crack under pressure, this is an absolute game changer for all of your yard work, all of your boxes, anything around your house, shop, or garage. It's tough, versatile, and built to take a beating for years. No more making dozens of trips across your yard every time you tackle a landscaping project. It's time to upgrade your outdoor gear. This Gorilla Cart steel utility cart is a heavy-duty hauling wagon engineered to handle the toughest outdoor chores without breaking a sweat. Featuring a 4 spacious cubic foot bed and a massive 800-pound load capacity, this wagon will transport anything you can throw at it. Everything from dense firewood to heavy river rocks, mulch, plants, you name it. And the rugged steel frame is designed for long-lasting durability. It ensures that it will withstand the elements and heavy daily use without bending or warping. My favorite part is the innovative removable side panels. You can instantly convert this deep-set wagon into that flatbed that moves anything and everything throughout your house and your yard. Now look at these wheels. This is the real secret. These wheels are massive, and this steel frame can take a lot of weight. I love the powdered coating on it that makes it gentle enough for the interior of my house and tough enough for my outdoor projects.